Welcome everyone to the revision. As you know, today is the revision, and tomorrow, inshallah, we have the first trimester exam of math. And what we're going to do today, we will finish this worksheet. Then, if you have any questions or any problems, you have time. When I finish this, you have time after this one, after this worksheet. You have time to ask anything you want. Okay? So, now, please do not use your mics. Do not use your mics. And I will stop many times to see if you have any problems with anything that I said. Okay? I will explain everything for you. So, please, my heroes, focus with me. In the first question, which has the same value of 3 multiplied by 5. As you see here, we need the value. And here we have 3 multiplied by 5. So, let's see. 3 multiplied by 5 means... My hero, please mute your mic. So, here in the first question, we said that we need the same value as 3 multiplied by 5. As you know, 3 multiplied by 5 means 3 groups of 5. So we need to repeat the 5 3 times. So it should be 5 plus 5 plus 5. Or you can use commutative property. It's the same as 5 multiplied by 3. So you can repeat the 3 5 times. 3 plus 3 plus 3 5 times. And now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the correct choice should be this one or this one. Okay? And here, as you can see, we have the first choice, A, is correct. So you need to just check if you have the same value for 3 multiplied by 5 in any choice. In the second choice, 5 plus 5 is 10. So it's not the same as 3 multiplied by 5, which is 15. And C, 3 plus 3 plus 3, this is 3 repeated 3 times. So it's wrong. We need to repeat the 3 5 times. 3 plus 5 is wrong because 3 plus 5 is 8. It's not the same as 3 multiplied by 5. Not the same value. Okay, the second question. Which of the following shows 4 multiplied by 2? So we need 4 rows of 2. But as you can see here, we don't have this. We do not have 4 rows of 2. So let's check if we have 2 rows of 4 using commutative property. These two are the same. So 2 rows of 4, we have 4 rows of 2 in C. I'm sorry, my heroes. C is 4 rows of 2. If you don't have, you need to check 2 rows of 4. Okay? For the next question, we have here a multiplication sentence. 3 multiplied by 7 equals 21. And we need to find 7 multiplied by 3. So this is commutative property. We get the same product. So the answer should be the same product, the same answer, 21. Okay? For in the next question, question number 4, you have 20 nickels and 4 banks. You want to place an equal number of nickels in each bank. How many nickels will you place in each bank? So, my heroes, here in this question, we need to repeat the number of nickels that we have, the 20. We need to repeat the 20, or we need to divide the 20. We need to divide the 20. So this is division, not multiplication. We use multiplication if we need to repeat something. We don't need to repeat the 20, and we do not need to repeat the 4. But we need to divide the 20 into 4 groups. To divide 20 into 4 groups, we write the division equation, 20 divided by 4. And you can solve this many ways. One of the ways that you can use is the related multiplication. The related multiplication equation, 4 multiplied by what number equals 20? Of course, the answer to this should be 5. So 4 multiplied by 5 equals 20. And 20 divided by 4 is 5. So the correct choice is 5 nickels. You can do this also using groups. You need to divide 20 into 4 groups. So you can do this, the multiplication, or the related multiplication equation, or you can use groups. You can use groups, draw 4 circles. I will do it for you to make sure that you don't miss anything. We need to divide 20 divided by 4. So I make 4 groups, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I start counting 20. And the answer is the number in each group. The number we get in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So here we see that we have 4 counters in each group. We have 5. We have 4 groups of 5. So 5 in the first group, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again. 5 in each group. So the answer, what is this? So the answer is 5. If you have any questions, any problems with any of these questions in the first page, you can use your mic. Any problems with these questions? If you have, you can use your mic. You don't need to raise your hand, my heroes. Lower your hands. Just use your mic and ask. Go ahead. Do not waste time. Okay, so since you don't have any problems with these questions, let's move to the next page.
Teacher.
Yes, my hero. Go ahead.
Teacher, I don't have problem. Question number 1, I'm not right.
Okay, this is question number 1. Do you have any problems with question number 1?
Oh, 1 minute, I'm gonna write because I'm
okay.
not
Okay,
right.
my hero. Okay, so my heroes, let's move to the next page. Did you finish, my hero?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm in the last page.
Now, let's move to question number 5. And again, my heroes, do not use your mics now. Question number 5. Jack counted 21 tennis balls. There are 3 tennis balls in each can. How many cans of balls are there? So let's see, this is multiplication or division. You should see the numbers here. The 21 is the number of the tennis balls. And the 3 is the number of, the 3 here is the number of cans. The number of balls in each can. So this is the number in each group. And what do we need to find? The question wants us to find how many cans, how many groups. So you see that the 21 should be the total. And this reminds us of division, the meaning of division. We have the number, the total number, and we have the number in each group, and we need to find the number of groups. So we can write this as a division equation. 21 divided by 3 equals what number? And to answer the division equation, you can use related multiplication, and also you can use any other way to solve the division. But for simplicity and do not wasting time, we don't need to waste time, so I will use the related multiplication fact. So 3 multiplied by what number equals 21? Of course, we know that the answer is 7. 3 multiplied by 7 is 21. So 21 divided by 3 equals 7. So the correct choice is letter A. Any problems with this question?
No.
If you don't have any problems, do not use your mics.
No.
In question number 6, what symbol will make the number sentence true? So here in this question, we need to find the value for the first side, the left side, and the value for the second side, the right side. In the left side, 1 multiplied by 77, when you multiply any number by 1, you get that number. So 1 times 77 is 77. In the right side, when you multiply any number by 0, you get 0. The product is 0. So 0 multiplied by 27 equals 0. And now we need to choose one of the signs. You know that the correct sign here is greater than this sign. So the correct choice is letter B. Okay. In question number 7, what symbol will make the sentence true? Let's see the two sides. Remember, when you multiply any number by 0, you get 0. So 0 multiplied by 52 equals 0. And 0 multiplied by 13 equals 0. So as you can see, my heroes, we have 0 in the left side and 0 in the right side. So the correct choice should be equal to. The two sides have the same value. So the correct choice is letter B. Before I move to the next question, if you have any problems, you can use your mics and ask. Okay, let's move to the next question. Yes, my hero.
Question. Why is 0 with any number multiplied equals 0?
Okay, let's see a question like this one. 0 multiplied by 3. What is 0 multiplied by 3, my hero?
0.
0. And the same is 3 multiplied by 0.
0.
Equals 0. So let's see. If we have 3 multiplied by 0, this is 0 plus 0 plus 0. So what is the answer of 0 plus 0 plus 0? Nothing. 0. I cannot hear any one of you. Please mute your mics. Only if you have any problems with questions 6 and 7, you can use your mics.
0.
My heroes, do not repeat yourself. Any problems? Okay. Let's move to the next question. Please, again, my heroes, do not use your mics when I explain. Which shows a way to find 8 multiplied by 4. As you can see in the choices here, we should read the choices, all the choices. In the choices here, we see that we have the same way that we use distributive property. That's how we use distributive property. So let's take them one by one. The first one, 4 times 4 plus 2 times 2. Okay, for this one, my heroes, I will skip it and I will see it again later. But let's move to the next one. 8 multiplied by 8 multiplied, my hero, do not use your mic. 8 multiplied by 4 plus 1 multiplied by 4. So my heroes, in letter B, we repeat the 4. So we need the other number to break it. We need to break the other number. So let's break the 8. Is 8 plus 1 equals 8? No, 8 plus 1 equals 9. So this is 9 multiplied by 4. So this one is wrong. In C, 5 multiplied by 4 plus 3 multiplied by 4. We have 4 repeated. So add the two other numbers. 5 plus 3, 5 plus 3 equals 8. So this is 8 multiplied by 4. And it's the same as the one that we need. So this one is correct. Let's see the next one. We have this 4 repeated. Not the first 4, the second 4. Because here the first is 3, and here the first number is here 4 and here 3. So 4 plus 3 equals 7. So this is 7 multiplied by 4. So this one is wrong. Okay, now let's see A. A, you should find the value. The value of 8 multiplied by 4 equals 32. And here 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. And 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. And 16 plus 4 equals 20. So it's wrong. So the only one that has the same value, and the only one that is correct is letter C. This is the only one which is correct. And for this we used distributive property. In the next question, which is the missing factor? We have here the 6 repeated. This 6, it's repeated. So do not break the 6. What should you do? You should break the other one. So break the 8. We have here space, and here the first is this 6. So the question now is 8 equals what number plus 6? And of course 8 equals 2 plus 6. So the correct choice here is 2, letter A. Okay, before I move to the next question, if you have any problems with distributive property, you can use your mic. If you don't have, please do not use your mic. If you have any problems with questions 8 and 9, use your mics. Yes? I didn't hear you, my hero. Please repeat.
I have the worksheet.
My hero, do you have any problems with question 8 and 9? Okay, so let's move, my heroes, to the next question. Question number 10. In question number 10, in the 3rd grade classroom, there are 3 rows with 6 desks in each row. How many desks are in the classroom? So simply, my heroes, this is exactly where we need to repeat the numbers. So it's multiplication. We are repeating the 6 3 times. You can use a model to do this, and you can do it without model directly using multiplication. 3 multiplied by 6, 3 rows of 6, and you will get the answer. And of course you can use a model. I will draw the model for you. 3 rows of 6. I will use counters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the first row. The second row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The third row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And all you need to do now, this is 3 rows and 6 columns. All you need to do is counting all counters that you have, and you will find the answer the same as the multiplication equation. So 3 multiplied by 6 equals 18. So we have here 18 counters, and also 3 multiplied by 6 equals 18. So the correct choice is letter D, 18. Any problems? If you don't have any problems, do not use your mic. Okay, my heroes. Now I will move to the next question in the next page. For these questions, we need just to give the answer. I will make it a little bit larger. And if you keep the timetable, so you can use any multiplication and division sentence quickly. So let's go ahead. 6 multiplied by 1. When you multiply any number by 1, you get the same number. So the answer is 6. In the second question, 8 multiplied by 5. And 8 multiplied by 5 equals 40. In the next question, 10 multiplied by 3. When you multiply any number by 10, any problems?
No.
No.
Okay, my heroes, I know that you want to answer with me, but if I let you answer, we will take too long time to solve the questions, and you will not understand what I need to explain to you. But anyways, I will let you help me. But I will not call names. When you answer, you can just say your answer one time and do not repeat. Just say it one time and do not repeat.
I need the answer. It's 30.
Okay, my heroes, what is 10 multiplied by 3?
30.
You are repeating. Do not repeat. Just say it one time, then mute your mic. Say it one time and do not repeat. I hear you all.
60.
My heroes again. My heroes. My heroes.
0.
My heroes. I didn't ask. I didn't move to the next question. When I ask you, use your mic and say the answer one time and do not repeat, or I will mute you all. Okay, let's go. The next question, 7 multiplied by 0.
0.
I heard you all. Thank you.
0.
Yes, that's right. Thank you. You can mute your mics again. So 7 multiplied by 0 is 0. When you multiply any number by 0, the product is 0. The next question, 4 multiplied by 4.
16.
Great. Thank you, my heroes. You can mute your mics again. 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. The next question. 8 multiplied by 7.
56. 56.
Great, wow.
56. 57.
Do not repeat, my hero.
56.
Yes, that's right. Thank you, my hero. So 8 multiplied by 7 is 56. Okay, now I'll move down to see the next question. 2 multiplied by 3.
6.
Excellent, my heroes. So 2 multiplied by 3 equals 6. Okay, I'll move down. The next question. 4 multiplied by 9.
36.
Great, wow. Excellent, my heroes. You can mute your mics again. So 4 multiplied by 9 equals 36. Okay, let's move to the next question. 3 multiplied by 8.
24. 32.
Do not repeat. Do not repeat. Thank you, my heroes. You can mute your mics.
49.
So 3 multiplied by 8 equals 24.
24.
Okay. 6 multiplied by 4. Thank you, heroes. You can mute your mics. Mics off. Abdurrahman, mute your mic. 6 multiplied by 4 equals 24. Okay, the next question. 7 multiplied by 7. Excellent, wow. Excellent, my heroes. Thank you, everyone. Mics off.
I have a question.
Okay, just a second, my hero. Who's asking?
Yasin Isa.
Yasin, you have a problem? You have a question?
Yeah.
Okay, ask, my hero.
Number 9 is 3 multiply 8 equal 24.
Yes?
And number 10, 6 multiply 4 equal 24. No.
What is your problem?
Number 6.
I heard you. You have 9 and 10. They have the same answer. And is this a problem?
But it is not the same numbers.
Oh, I like this note. But let me finish first. Then I will answer this. Thank you, Yasin.
Teacher, I know a question.
I need to complete first, my hero. I need to finish the worksheet first. And of course, I will discuss with you anything you want. Okay, you told me that 7 multiplied by 7 is 49. So I write here 49. Okay, and I move down. And 9 multiplied by 3.
27.
Excellent.
27.
Excellent.
27.
Great. Thank you, my heroes. Mics off. 9 times 3 equals 27. Let's see the next question.
4.
It's division.
4.
23 divided by 8. Excellent, my heroes.
4.
Mics off. When I ask you to mute your mic, just mute your mic. Because I want to speak. I cannot speak when you are speaking. You are repeating yourself. Mute your mic. Third, my hero, do not speak. I said mute your mic. 32 divided by 8 equals 4. And my heroes, when I ask you to answer, answer. And when I ask you to mute your mics, mute your mics. Because I want to speak. Okay, 18 divided by 6.
3.
Excellent. Do not repeat, my hero.
3.
Do not repeat. Do not repeat. Thank you. So, 18 divided by 6 equals 3. Let's see the next question. 30 divided by 3.
10.
Yes. Do not repeat. Do not repeat.
10.
Yes, it's 10, not 30. So you corrected yourself. So 30 divided by 3 equals 10. And of course that is because 10 multiplied by 3 equals 30. Okay, now let's answer the question for Yasin. This was the last question. I will answer Yasin, then I will see if you have any questions other than these questions. Okay, Yasin, you asked
Bye,
me.
teacher.
You asked, please everyone, mics off. Yasin asked why here in question 9 and 10 we have the same products, but we are not using the same numbers. No one said that we are using commutative property here, my hero. So, yes, sometimes you have the same products with different numbers. Let me give you an example for this.
I know why.
I want Yasin only. Everyone else, please mute your mics. Ali, mute your mic, please. And Yasin? Yasin?
Yes, teacher.
Can you tell me any two numbers that we multiply to get 12?
12?
Yes?
Okay. 2 multiply
Yes?
2 multiply 6.
Excellent. Do you have any other two numbers that can give you 12?
1 multiply 12.
Excellent. 1 and 12. Okay, do you have any other two numbers that you can multiply to get 12?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yes.
Go ahead, Yasin.
Okay.
3 multiplied by...
6 multiply 2.
Okay, it's the same as 2 multiplied by 6. I want 3. 3 multiplied by what number gives 12?
3 multiply by...
Okay, we need help, my heroes. 3 multiplied by...
I don't teacher.
4. Excellent. Thank you, heroes. Mics off again. Mics off. Mics off. Muhammad, mute your mic.
Teacher.
Okay, so Yasin, sometimes you have the same product without having the same numbers. And we are not using commutative property. Of course, 2 multiplied by 6 is the same as 6 multiplied by 2. This is completely different. 1 and 12. 3 and 4. So, sometimes you have the same product, but you are not using the same numbers. And in this case, this is not commutative property. And we call these numbers the 2, the 6, the 1, the 12, the 3, the 4, we call them factors. So these are factors of 12. What is the meaning of factors? Factors, the numbers that we can use and multiply by any number to get 12. So factors of 12, these are numbers that we can multiply by any other number to get 12. Okay? So, my heroes, let me ask you a question here. Okay. But before I ask you, Yasin, did you get it now?
Yeah, I get it.
Okay, thank you, my hero. Okay, my heroes, let's ask you another question. Do you remember, because here I said factors, so I want to remind you about this word, multiple. So, let me ask about multiples of, let's say, multiples of 10. What are multiples of 10? Anyone? If you know, just say your name.
Me. I know.
Yes, yes, I heard you all. Do not repeat. I heard you all. Okay? Okay, anyone else? Okay. Okay. Okay, mic's off. Mic's off. Mic's off. Everyone, mic's off. Quickly, Abdurrahman, mute your mic. Okay, Muhammad Al-Abbad.
Yes.
You said that you know the multiples of 10. Go ahead.
2 multiplied by 5.
Okay.
And
10 multiplied by 5 equals what?
5 multiplied by 2.
Oh, this is factors. No, I'm asking about multiples, not factors. No, thank you, my hero. Okay, Muhammad Kumail.
Yes, teacher.
The multiples of 10?
Is
The timetable of 10. That's it.
1
0,
multiplied by
10,
0,
20,
5,
30,
0, 20, 30,
40,
50,
50, 60, 70. Yes, yes. Thank you, my hero.
100.
And so on. So, my heroes. Khalid Walid. Any problems? Okay,
No.
so my heroes, now I'm showing you the difference between the word factors and the word multiples. The factors are numbers less than or equal to the same number. But the multiples are numbers that should be greater than the number. And of course you see here that we have 0, because any number multiplied by 0 is 0. 10 times 0 equals 0. So always you get 0 as a multiple. Okay. Now my heroes, I finished everything I want to say, and I'm listening. If you have any problems, say your name. If you want to ask about anything, just say your name. Do not ask. Say your name. Wow. No questions? Okay, so I will ask questions. I will ask questions since you don't have questions. But I will start with an easy question here. Let's start with easy question. 7.
Teacher, we write with you.
You want to ask about anything, Ibrahim?
We write with you in the paper.
Okay, you can write. Yes. Okay, my heroes, I will write questions, and if you have the answer, just say your name and mute your mic. 7 multiplied by what number equals 42?
Me, teacher, I'm Sultan. Me, Abdurrahman.
Yes, yes, who else? Yes.
Me,
Okay, who else? Do not say me, say your name. Okay, mic's off. Mic's off. Mic's off. Mic's off. Mic's off. Sultan, mute your mic.
Anas Usama.
Anas, mute your mic. Thank you, Saif. Mute your mic. Abdurrahman, mute your mic. My heroes, mute your mics. Mic's off. I said mute your mics. Okay, I'm waiting for you to mute your mics. Mic's off. Muhammad Fahd, you will not answer. You repeated your name 4 times. My hearers, when you repeat your name, I will not call you. I hear everyone here.
Teacher, I
Yes,
didn't
Saif.
answer. My name is Saif.
I know, Saif. Okay, Kareem.
Yes.
What is your answer?
6.
Yes, 7 multiplied by 6 equals 42. Thank you, Kareem. And again, my heroes, you need to say your name only 1 time and do not repeat. Okay, the next question is what number? Okay, let's make it tricky. Okay, this is a little bit tricky. If you know the answer, just say your name and mute your mic quickly. Names. Okay, who else? Who else? Yes, who else? Okay, who else? Okay, who else? Okay. Anyone else? Okay. Oh, what? What's this? Stop. Khalid Walid. Khalid Walid. No. Stop. Hassan, do not repeat your name, Hassan Al-Sam. Khalid Walid. Wait, Saif, wait. Khalid Walid.
Yes.
You said that you have the answer.
I have the answer.
Okay, what is your answer?
Equal 18.
18. I should write here in the space 18. Thank you, Khalid. Hassan Al-Sam? Of course, no. Hassan Al-Sam?
2. What?
The answer is 2. Oh, okay. I have 18. I have 2. Do you have any other answers? Okay, Anas. Anas.
The answer, teacher, is 9.
9.
No, teacher, I didn't mean 2. It's 10.
Okay, 10 also? Wow, these are many numbers.
No, teacher,
Okay,
it's 9.
thank you. Thank you, my heroes. Thank you, Anas. Okay, my heroes, we have these choices.
9.
Let's see
teacher,
which one.
I can say why 9.
Yes,
Two.
Hassan. Yes, Anas. Explain.
Because 2 multiplying 9 equals 2 times 9 equal 18. And also 2 times 9 is 9 plus 9. So 9 plus 9 equal 2 multiplying 9.
Excellent. 9 plus 9 is 9 repeated 2 times. Remember, my heroes, multiplication is repeated addition, not the same as addition. So you should read questions carefully. Okay, one more question. Do you like these questions?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So, what?
I want to go to the next page.
Just a second. Who's this?
I have to I want to go to the next page.
Abdulaziz, this is the last page. We have only 3 pages.
I have 4 pages.
The 4th page is answers. These are the answers, my hero. The answers. Okay? Okay. So this is not a problem. Let's go ahead with another question. Mic's off. Okay, focus, my heroes. 2 multiplied by 0. 0 multiplied by 20. If you know which one is greater, just say your name and mute your mic quickly.
Yes,
Okay. Anyone else?
Yasin Isa.
Yes. Do not repeat your name, Yasin. You said your name one time before. Tamim. Tamim.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. What is your answer? Which one is bigger? Huh?
Because equal.
Excellent, my hero. Explain.
2 multiply 0 equals 0. 0 multiply 20 equals 0.
Great, thank you, my hero. Great work. Okay, let's take another one, but this time I'll use the one. Okay. Let's make it tricky.
Don't answer.
I know, Abdurrahman. I know, but I do not have enough time for everyone to answer. Okay, 3 multiplied by 9 equals 3 multiplied by 3 plus 3 multiplied by what number? If you know the answer, just say your name and mute your mic quickly. And do not repeat. Okay, Khalid? Okay, Muhammad? Okay, Tamim? Okay, who else? Okay, who else? Okay. Okay. Okay, Ahmed Abu Zir, what is your answer?
It's just repeated prosperity. We break the 9 to.
Excellent. We repeat this 3. So we break this 9. 3 plus what number?
6.
Excellent, my hero. Wow. So my heroes, not 3. I said I thought that you may say that the answer is 3. Of course, no, it's not 3. It's 6. Why? Because we break the 9. We write the 9 as 3 plus 6. Okay. This is distributive property, of course. I don't have space for other question. Oh, I have space here. Let's write question here. 20 divided by 2 equals 5 multiple. Oh, sorry. I gave you the answer. I want the question to be tricky. 2 multiplied by what number?
Finish the cloud.
If you know the answer, just say your name and mute your mic quickly. Okay. Aisa, mute your mic. Okay. Anyone else? Okay, Abdulaziz Al-Aqid. What is your answer, Abdulaziz?
I know. 20 division 2 multiply 10.
Excellent.
2 multiply 10 equals 20.
Excellent. 2 multiplied by 10 equals 20. So, what number should I use here?
Teacher.
Abdulaziz Al-Aqid. I said Abdulaziz Al-Aqid. Abdulaziz Al-Harib, please mute your mic.
Yes.
Okay, you said 10 multiplied by 2 equals 20. Are you speaking about the left side or the answer?
The answer.
Oh, the answer. No, my hero, the answer is not 10. Thank you. Okay. Who's here also?
Wait, teacher.
No, I want to remember someone.
Me. Can you lead me? Teacher, I know.
Ibrahim.
Teacher, me see for me. Yes.
Okay, Ibrahim, what's your answer? Okay, I forgot the names, my heroes. Remind me. If you know the answer, say your name again. I forgot the names. Okay. Okay, my heroes.
Multiply by 5.
Okay. Oh, Abdullah.
For me.
Aisa, what's your answer?
Teacher, me, Ibrahim, I said 5.
Aisa?
5.
Oh, Ibrahim said 5 and Aisa said 5.
Wow.
Of course, the answer is 5 because 20 divided by 2 equals 10. So 2 multiplied by 5 equals 10.
Before Asa.
Yes, okay, Ibrahim, I hear you. Thank you, Ibrahim, and thank you, Aisa. Thank you, everyone. This is the end of our session for today. Don't be late for the exam tomorrow. Have a nice time. And goodbye. Goodbye, my heroes. Yes, my hero. I'm listening. What?
You, teacher.
I love you too, my hero.
Bye, teacher.
Goodbye, my hero.
Teacher, there is a session after the next session.
I don't know, my hero. I don't think. Tomorrow you have exam for math. Just math. Okay, see you, my heroes. Goodbye.
Teacher.
Yes?
Teacher, tomorrow just 2 sessions or 5 sessions.
Tomorrow the math exam.